Get into the 2016 Ford Explorer. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to adventure in this Ford Explorer, the midsize SUV with a commanding presence and technology that lets you customize your driving experience. Whether you're towing, negotiating rough terrain, or simply cruising the scenic route, this can-do vehicle infuses every excursion with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Count on Explorer to make your adventures all they can be. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.